दिन भर काम करने के बाद लोअर बैक कोलैप्स हो गई है, लोअर बैक में पेन क्रिएट हो गया है। क्या आपके साथ भी ऐसा? चलो, लेट्स फिक्स इट इन जस्ट few minutes. First, seated forward bend. With that, inhale and by exhaling, go forward as much as you can. If you can come till here, fine. If you more down, go down. If you can go even more down, just hold your chin and push it. It will release the tension which got created in your lower back. Hold it here for a few seconds. Then inhaling, come back. Again, let's repeat it for a few times. Hold for a few seconds. Then by inhaling, come back. Second movement. Pelvic tilt. Here, you need to tilt your pelvic forward and backward. Like this. It will improve the lower back mobility. Do the normal breathing here and repeat this movement for a few times. Next, we will go for knee to chest. So for that, hold your knee like this and pull it toward the chest. The other leg will be on the ground. Release it. Now let's do with the other leg. Pull it toward your chest. Release it. It will help to strengthen your lower back. Now let's go for seated figure posture. For that, put your ankle on the other knee and bend forward. It will release the lower back tension and pain. Inhaling, come back.
Exhaling, go down as much as you can.
Inhaling, come back. Let's change. Exhaling, go down. It will release the tension and pain got created in the lower back. Inhaling, come back. Now, let's go for seated marching.
Put one leg hanging in the air parallel to the ground and change it. Change it.
Now, we'll do the marching. It will strengthen the core and it will strengthen the muscle which support to the lower back. Now next we'll go for seated side.
Put one hand at the chair and bend sideward.
It will release the pain from the side lower back. Come back. Change it. Now we will go for seated eagle.
Put one hand in front of the chest, another hand wrap into the hand and stretch upward.
It will strengthen the muscle of the lower back. Now we will go for side twist. For that, hold your channel like this and twist how much you can. Try to twist from here so the pain in the lower back will get released. Change it. And come back. It will release the tension or created in the lower back. Now we'll go for seated arm. So for that, put your hand at the back of the chair and try to create an arc from the lower back. Come back. Again go. Hold it for a few seconds. Come back. This will release the tension and pain got created in the lower back. So, अगर दिन भर काम करके आपकी लोअर बैक कोलैप्स होती है, तो just try all this movement for 1 or 2 times every day, and for sure
your lower back pain will go away.
share this with one of your friends who is facing this issue. Subscribe for